Gram with all things glam. Welcome to Build a Bitch Workshop. This is video number 3.
We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. I'm so pretty. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. You know I'm pretty.
Okay, so guys, I had to be all the way candid with you. I did not want to get up out of the bed today. Okay? I didn't want to get up out the bed. Like, you see my cartoons in the background still on. That's my go-to. You know, I really just wanted to kind of do my thing. But I was like, you know what? I said I'm going to be there, and here I am. Take it or leave it. You know, this is me all day, every day. So I did want to talk to you guys about what celebrities are doing to brighten themselves. Yes, they are not bleaching themselves. No, that is wrong. You get an F. It's incorrect. So stop saying that they're bleaching themselves, because they're not. All right, they are actually brightening themselves. And we're gonna do a little experiment because I am a real life science project. Yeah, that's it. That's me. So what they're doing is they are using glutathione. You see that? And I do realize I'm not my normal glamorous self. I didn't promise y'all every day was gonna be a glamorous one. Even though I'm Glam, I'm not glamorous every day. When I wake up, this is what I look like. I woke up like this. So we also use the vitamin C. I like to mix them. It's really good to mix the vitamin C and the glutathione. You can get these on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link below, okay? Along with that, you want to cut it with baking soda. So here is the baking soda. And we're going to mix it with a little distilled water, and you can get that product wherever distilled water is sold. So a little background on glutathione. Glutathione is an antioxidant which boosts the immune system and detoxifies the body, causing skin lightening. Okay, so skin lightening is actually a side effect of what it's doing for you, and it's naturally in our bodies. We produce glutathione, so it's not something foreign that you're putting in your bodies. I do think that lighter people tan, so I don't see anything wrong with us lightening ourselves. What the hell? I mean, what's the big deal? You know, I do want to show you all where I started though. Go ahead and cue up that photo while I get ready. So I did want you all to see how my skin looks in the light. Okay, and I'm gonna give you the recipe. Okay, so what I typically do is I take a half a teaspoon, like so, half a teaspoon of the glutathione. I take a 1/4 teaspoon of the vitamin C. I should know the name of the damn product. Of the vitamin C, and then I take 1/8 of the baking soda, and I leave the 1/8 of the baking soda in here. I don't actually put it in there until the water's in there, because I actually like to fizzle. It's going to fizzle, guys, so don't be frightened. With that recipe, you may want to take, for my nebulizer, everybody's nebulizer is different. This is to nebulize, okay? This is the nebulizer product. This is how I like to take it. Some people like taking it rectally up their anus. I'm not taking this medicine up my anus. That's not what I'm gonna do. I'm going to nebulize it. So you can, this is a 10 milliliter syringe. Everybody knows that I'm very familiar with my syringes. I use 30 milliliters of water for this, and then it fizzes, and I go ahead and I put it into my nebulizer. Now, a nebulizer is what they use to give babies medicine, because babies can't swallow pills, okay? So when you do that, you go ahead and turn the nebulizer on, and you see that there is smoke coming out, thick clouds of smoke. You then insert the nebulizer into your mouth, like so. And that's how I like to ingest it. Now, I'm also going to, this is a 2-part video, so I'm going to be right back when I get myself together, girl. I gotta get my bearings together, and then we're gonna actually go and I'm going to get what they call a drip. Okay, so a drip is when they take the IV, they put it in you, and it drips into you. You get the glutathione and the vitamin C, or any kind of vitamins. It's a vitamin drip. I'm gonna show you what that looks like, guys, when I return.
We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls.
Okay, so remember I told you guys that I like to get my IV drips, and I don't really do anything rectally. We're not gonna do anything in my anus. No, 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 no. Some people do, but I don't. So this is kind of how I like to have my glutathione, through an IV drip. And I have here my paramedic, my technician, my stick artist, Kevin, and he's actually gonna poke me. Yeah. And give me this IV, so you guys are gonna be able to see that. It's gonna be great. And then he's gonna tell you guys a little bit about like the process and the different vitamin drips and just different things that you can do, you know, to stay healthy. Again, glutathione, the side effect is that you will be brightened. Not bleaching, people. It's not bleaching, okay? So let's do it.
Outstanding. Glutathione is actually a molecule that your liver makes. Every 24 hours you make, on average, about 100 milligrams. We here at Whydrate can issue between 500 and 1,000 milligrams. It's wonderful because glutathione is essentially the garbage truck of the body. It is an antioxidant. Big buzzword there. The other big buzzword is free radical, which just means garbage floating around the blood. So, garbage truck, garbage. You get the gist. My favorite metaphor is I want you to imagine 500 brand new garbage trucks rolling into Atlanta down 75 to clean the city out. That's glutathione.
All right. So actually I like to bring a heating pad because it's super cold when it goes inside of your veins, okay? So that's one thing, but that's how you know that it's actually working. And we're gonna be quiet for the stick.
That's okay.
We're gonna be quiet for the poke. And every time Kevin pokes me, guys, by the way, I don't know that it's going in. He's great. He's great at this job.
Would you give me a couple of good pumps?
All right.
Hey.
So in my bag currently I have about, is it 1,000?
You have 1,000 milligrams of glutathione. You have 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C. And you have 1 full liter of normal saline.
That's what I got.
Happy to be of service, my dear.
Thank you, Captain.
Mm-hmm.
That's always a good time with this guy, I tell you.
Well, when I was searching for something to do to help people, I wanted to find something that was not a gimmick. And since this is exactly the same process that you would find in the hospital, there you go. I found that this was the most real thing that I could contribute to my fellow man.
Yeah.
And there we go.
You got it. Oh, tell us about the machine.
Oh, my pleasure, of course.
We
also
cool machine, guys.
have a vein finder. And I don't mean one of these little gadgets. We have a professional grade AccuVein vein finder. I'm going to show you how this lights up. This comes across, comes on its own stand, and oh, we have a big bracelet in the way. But that's okay. That's okay. We'll come up here a little bit. And it can actually show you underneath, like right there, where the veins are under the skin. We can seek them out. We don't have a problem locating a location to actually establish your IV. And there you go. Keeps things very simple. And with only 1 stick instead of 2 or 3, we can contribute to your comfort and make this a positive experience every time you come. That's it.
Thank you, Kevin.
Lovely.
So I'm gonna try to do this, guys, without putting on my blanket because I'm always cold, but I'm not gonna not have my heating pad on. I'm gonna put my heating pad on because I'm gonna be cold. I'm gonna be cold. Let's do this. Okay guys, so I'm back. I do have my heating pad and we will be editing this video. I know you all know that I do not like to make a lot of edits and cuts in my videos, but for video purposes, I guess you could say, we'll be editing this one. It takes about an hour for me to actually do my drip. Now, this guy on the hand, about 30 minutes, just depends on how big your veins are. So I have really small veins, so it takes me about an hour to actually do my drip.
We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. I'm so pretty. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. You know I'm pretty.
Hello, porcelain dollies. So I did want to pop back in. This is a whole new day, y'all. I slept for 14 hours, okay? It wasn't 14 hours straight. I slept for 3 hours and I used the bathroom periodically, and then I slept for 11 more. And I knew that was gonna happen, so that's why I waited until I had the off day. As I told you all, yesterday was an off day for me. Today is not. But I did want to pop back in and give you all an update. We are so busy throughout our day. We just don't take care of ourselves the way that we should, and this is an amazing way to rehydrate yourself and, you know, just take a rest, because you don't even know you're that tired. Like, I never know I'm that tired, but I do know that the first time I did it, I slept for 3 days. Like, I just did not get up. I couldn't get up. We couldn't get up. We were just laying here like, whatever, man. But this is just a method that we sometimes have to use in order to just rehydrate ourselves and take care of ourselves. Now, I did want to say this. Today, there will be no disclaimer because we consulted an expert. Applause, please. Yeah. So, this is just an update to yesterday's video. In this video, that's all I got, guys. But if you do like this video, I want you to like, I want you to comment below, I want you all to share and hit that subscribe button. Until next time.
We are pretty girls.